What's up, guys? Just get my truck out of storage. Finna get ready and install this extra loud siren.
System disarmed.
Alright, guys, today I'm going to be putting the loudest siren on here to make it loud. That's good for like when you're in certain neighborhoods and you can't hear your alarm going off. Like right now, I got the factory horn and stuff hooked up to it. And if you look, I got two of these little basic sirens on here. But that's really not loud enough. So what I'm going to do is I got an old school siren. It sounds like one of those tornado warnings sirens. I had this thing for the longest. I believe back in probably the early 90s I had it. So I'm gonna show you how to get that hooked up to make your alarm a little bit louder and stand out from different alarms, because you know these days if alarm going off outside, everybody come out and look, because everybody alarm sounds the same, because you got that same 5-tone siren that's going off. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make it loud. And a lot of times you can't find these old sirens that I'm finna put on here. I call them screamers. But if you can't find them, maybe if you go to like a junkyard or something and take them off an old car or something, you probably could find them, because that's what I usually do. But I had this one since the early 90s. I actually got a couple of them, but I'm not gonna get rid of them. People been asking me to buy them, but I'm not gonna sell them. So let me go in the house and get the stuff I need. You're gonna need a tape, wire cutters, soldering iron, a relay, and of course the siren. And I'm gonna show you guys how to hook it up with the relay, and I'm gonna show you the purpose of the relay and all that stuff, good stuff like that. So let me go in here and get this stuff and get busy. All right, I got everything I need. This is the relay, the harness, the tape, and this is the siren I was telling you guys about. It's like one of them, sound like an air raid tornado warning siren. Yeah, this is what you want, especially when you live in that certain type of neighborhood, or just anywhere you go. You just want to be able to hear your alarm, and that siren you can hear a mile away. I guarantee you that. Usually I mount it to the frame up in here, but I know I'm gonna have to put it somewhere else because I got too much stuff up under here from the car audio and stuff. So probably just get some heavy duty wire straps after I finish hooking it up. And just to go over a little bit on the relay, guys, I'll probably do another video to get into that, because I don't want to tie myself up on the relay. Showing you guys how relay work. I can get into that in depth into that in another video. But basically the relay is like to boost up the output. Without this relay, I wouldn't be able to just tie it into the alarm, because it's not gonna work. It's either gonna burn something out, or the siren not gonna work because the output not strong enough. That's what the relay usually do. It usually boost up the power output, or let you change the polarity. Say for instance, if a wire is negative and your alarm only puts out positive, the relay allows you to wire it up differently to send out that negative output to whatever source you want it to go to, whether you want it to pop the trunk or you want to turn on your defroster or whatever the case may be. It's just optional. But on this relay, guys, I'm gonna show you in another video. I'm not gonna show you here because the video gonna run too long. But your relay, never learn your relay by the colors. That'll be the biggest mistake of your life, because these harness wires come in all different types of colors. So you don't want to learn it from the color. Otherwise, you're going to burn something out every time. What you want to do is learn them by the numbers. On your numbers, you got a 30, 86, 85, 87, and 87A. Most of the time 87A, the middle connector is not used. I mean, you can use it certain like a cutoff relay or 5-wire door locks, but I'll get into that in another video because I know it sounds like rocket science to you the ones that don't know about this stuff. So yeah, just learn them by the numbers: 30, 85, 86, 87, 88. Know how a relay works and know what it do and know what turns it on and what send out power. But like I said, I get into depth in that in another video. And another thing I forgot, guys, is I noticed that I didn't do, and I know you guys may say something about it, is always disconnect the batteries before you start. But I didn't disconnect the batteries, and it's not about me disconnect the batteries. Don't do what I do, just do what I say. Disconnect the batteries and everything like that. I'm not worried about it because I did this 1,000 times, and plus this is my vehicle, so I'm not worried about nothing happening. And plus I got 4 batteries in here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, so I really don't want to, go through all that stuff. So, and just be real careful on doing this and take your time and do it right. And always use like black tape or solder for your connectors. I got the solder gun in the house. I'm gonna go in there and do that. First, I gotta take the dash down. I'm gonna take the dash down and wire up the relay inside the dash, and then I'm gonna come back and wire the siren up. I'm gonna show you guys what I did and let you listen to how loud it is. Then we'll go from there. All right. All right, guys, got everything hooked up. I don't know if you can see with the sun, just glare, but got everything hooked up nice and neat. The siren done. Everything nice and strapped in, mounted down. And yeah, let's get ready and test it out and see how it sounds. All right, I'm gonna sit this somewhere. Let me just sit this right. I'll sit this right here. All right, guys, I just pop the camera right here so you guys can hear it go off. I'm gonna make the alarm go off. And just a warning, I would turn my speakers down. If you got your speakers up or whatever, headphones like that, I would suggest you turn them down because it's gonna be kind of loud. So just a warning. But if you hard-headed like me, you probably won't do it anyway. So I'm just warning you anyway. All right.
System armed.
Okay, let me get ready and set it off to show you guys how loud it is. All right, guys, there you have it. That's how you install a loud siren on your vehicle. For those of you who are in them bad neighborhoods like myself, I would suggest you try to locate one. I got a couple of them, but they're not for sale because they're hard to find. You can find them if you, like I said, if you go to a junkyard. I call them screamers, but they're really mechanical sirens. So, like I said, if you're looking for something different that make you stand out, something that you may be in an apartment building that's 5-6 floors up, you can't hear your siren, or you just want something that make a thief be like, no, I don't want to do this too loud, get a headache, which people are going to find a way to tamper or steal your stuff anyway if they really want it. But it's just a deterrent and a good one, if I may add. So I suggest you try to locate one if you want your siren to sound different. If you don't want an alarm to be going off outside and you wondering if it's yours. Like if I hear alarm going off outside, I don't even bother getting up because I know it ain't mine, because mine sound different from anybody's. So, and plus I can hear this. Like if I go inside Walmart or whatever, I can hear my alarm. And everybody, when it goes off, everybody look. So it just draws attention, period. So I suggest all you guys do this. Like I said, if you live in a bad neighborhood or you just want your alarm to be different or you just want it to be loud, either or. So that about wraps up this video. Don't forget to comment, like, hit that subscribe button, and share this. And I hope I was able to help you guys that was looking for a difference in your alarm. And like I said, I'm gonna do another video to get more in depth about the relay. And I didn't show the part of me taking down the dash for my alarm, because it's like pointless. All alarms, most alarms have different siren colors, and plus you only need one wire off that alarm. No, that's the siren wire, but I will get into that in another video on directly how to do that, how to hook up a siren off a relay. So I would just do that. But anyway, guys, y'all be safe out there. Stay prayed up. Watch your backs, because this is there's a lot of stuff going on that that we can't speak about. But I ask you guys, just stay prayed up, man, and love each other. Stay loyal. And if you say you're gonna do something, do it. And some people say love is a two-way street, or you have to give love to receive love. I believe that's false. I believe that's like only loving a person if they love you. I love people regardless if they don't love me. Because if you say you got to give love to show love, that means that you're only going to love somebody if they love you back. No, love is unconditional. Love is just, if you love something, because if you do that, then you allow that person to change the way you feel. Like, I'm only going to love you if you love me back. Or you got to give love to get love. No, that's not true. You love people regardless of what they do, because at the end of the day, they're going to be judged for that, and they're going to have to deal with those consequences. As long as you do, you did your part. Love everybody, hate no one. There's too much stuff going on out here for you to be trying to hate somebody. And that's why a lot of people, we can't get ahead, because people don't want to share or help or loyal. People find something that's working for them, and they don't want to help the next person. They want to keep it a secret, so they keep you down and keep themselves up. But anyway, I don't want to get off topic in this video. Just love each other, guys. That's all I'm saying. You know what's going on in this world. Just love somebody, man. Regardless if they love you back, you doing your part. Because if you don't love them back because they're not loving you, that means you letting that person change who you are. If you're a loving person giving love, just give love. I'm not saying be a fool, but just give love, man. Just give love. That's it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.